Welcome back. This video will review course navigation. Let's get started. When you first arrive at your course homepage, you will see the course information area, your course announcements, and your course calendar. In the nav bar, you will find your course navigation, starting with communication. This is where you can access chat, class discussion, and email your teacher. Next, this is how you access your course content. On the left pane, you will see a menu of all your lessons for the course. Clicking on Overview will access your course syllabus. Bookmarks allow you to tag important lessons for review and quick access later. Course Schedule will show any upcoming course events. Table of Contents will list all of your lessons and submodules. It will also show you your progress in the course. And these orange boxes show you how many lesson components you have not reviewed yet. Check marks indicate subjects you have reviewed already. To go to the next page of the lesson, just click the next page arrow. At the bottom of each page, you have the option to save the page in your binder, download it, or print it. Remember, navigation between pages is easily done by using the page arrows, or you can visit any previous page by clicking the link or going back to the table of contents. To go back to the course homepage, click on the course title. Exams and quizzes can be accessed under Assessments, your grade book, and Class List allows you to contact your teacher. Click on the Home button to go to My Courses homepage. Thank you and good luck.